How to delete multiple alarms on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your phone. This clock app includes features like alarms, a world clock, a stopwatch, and a timer. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Alarms. Over here, you can view all of your set alarms. You can also set multiple alarms with custom labels, sounds, and repeat schedules. For example, specific days of the week. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. As you can see, there is red minus sign beside all of your alarms. Now, tap on the alarm you want to delete and swipe left. Then, tap on Delete beside. You have now successfully deleted this alarm. Repeat this to delete the other alarms as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete multiple alarms on iPhone.